How to create small business startup checklist on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create small business startup checklist on Microsoft Word easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys is go to Microsoft Word. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on this business option here. Click on business and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find thousands of templates. All what you have to do is search for the small business startup checklist, and here is it right here. Click on it. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar and search for small business startup, and you will find it as you can see. Now click on it and click create right here, and here you can change the name of your agency or your startup. Click and change how to media. Now change the getting started, and here you can change everything, every text, and it's very easy to edit. As you can see, it's very easy. Just click and change. And after you finish, click here in the top corner on this save option, and everything will be saved. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching until the end.